Hey guys, Saturn Horror Guy. This video is about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, one of the greatest horror movies ever made in cinema history. Today I've got some dry rubs. As I like cooking, but let's start with the hitchhiker. Hitchhiker's dry rub. Killer on chicken. Now this goes on chicken, guys. Nutrition facts. Try my personal select secret recipe. Rubs for beef, chicken, pork, or really anything you can cook up, and bring a taste of that traditional W.E. Slaughter barbecue home with you. Leroy and Lewis Barbecue, Austin, Texas. 78748. That must be the address for the company of making this. There's the Sawyer house. There's the cook's truck. Yep, there's the Sawyer house right there. There's the windmill. So there he is. I don't know if Ed Neal knows that he's on a bottle of dry rub for chicken. Maybe I'll have to tag him in this. This is available online from guninteractive.com. They used to make the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game. So that's the hitchhiker. I'll put him aside. Next is the cook. Cook's dry rub. Killer on pork. This goes on pork. Hey, there it is inside the bottle. Give it a shake. There it is. There's the dry rub. There we go. That's the cook. Pork. Put that on pork. There he is. You're only the cook around here. We do all the work. That's what the hitchhiker says in the movie. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. There he is. There's Leatherface. This is my favourite, of course, because I love Leatherface. So Leatherface's dry rub. Killer on beef. This goes on beef, guys. You could sprinkle that on like sausages, steak, whatever beef you have in your freezer or refrigerator. There he is. Look at that. Such good artwork on the bottles. There's his chainsaw. Yep, killer on beef. I think I've used the beef one the most. I think the beef one is used. I use it the most. Oh no, the chicken one. Sorry, I use the chicken one the most, and then the beef, and then the pork. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to love all my subscribers out there. I just wanted to share that with you guys. These three amazing bottles. They're still available online. So you can get them online at guninteractive.com. That's guninteractive.com. Plus they sell posters and other stuff from the video game, Texas Chainsaw Massacre game. So if you guys can get on there if you want to check it out, it's up to you. You can do that. get some dry rubs. It's looking delicious. Just going to straighten them up. The bottles. The cook. No, there he's there. And we'll begin with the hitchhiker. Oh, look at that. I just love the artwork. It's just so like real, like the portraits of these guys. The cook, two of Leatherface's brothers, and we got Leatherface. You got the chicken rub, a pork rub, and you got the beef rub. Cool, guys. Just wanted to share that with you guys. So I use these dry rubs a lot when I'm cooking. So if you can like and subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate that very much. That'd be a big help for me. If you guys can, I'd love that. Just subscribe and like my videos. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. 'Cause I'm never going away. I love making my videos for you guys. I love horror. Horror is life. Peace out, guys. Interesting video next. About Ghostface. That's my next video. Ghostface. Stay tuned. Peace out. Take care. Bye.